90% of beginners quit coding in their first month. But if you stay, you become someone else. I didn't start coding because I was smart. I started because I had no choice. Where I'm from, opportunities don't knock. They whisper. And if you don't listen closely, they are gone. I remember that first round of code. It wasn't just text. It was hope. A reply from the universe. Then came the second lie. Cue reality. I hit every word, every bug, every reason to quit. And then one night, when everything broke again, I didn't code. I wrote down 7 rules. Not from some guru, but from battle. Dogma 1. Embrace the chaos. You are code failed. Good. That means you are actually trying. You are not failing. You are fighting. Every ready error is a teacher. Every bug is a doorway. Walk through it. Dogma 2. Still like an artist. You copied from Stack Overflow. So what? Great artists still. Then limits. Don't chase originality. Chase effectiveness. Copy it, break it, understand it, make it yours. Dogma 3. Ship your disaster. That ugly project, ship it. That broken up, push it. We don't grow in silence. We grow in exposure. Dogma 4. Code for love, not rights. When was the last time you code? Just for love. Not job, not grade, not algorithm chasing you. Just curiosity. That's when you become an artist, not just another day. Dogma 5. Rhythm beats hustle. Forget the 12 hours grind. You need just 1 hour a day, every day. Rhythm beats legends. Hustle beats burnouts. Dogma 6. Learn the language, not just the dialect. Frameworks change like seasons, but logic that stays. Learn to think like a developer. Patterns, systems, structure. Once you speak the language of code, you can learn any dialect. Dogma 7. Teach to read. Teaching isn't for experts, it's for the brave. Don't wait to become a master. Explain what you barely understand yesterday. Somewhere out there, another beginner will thank you. Secret Dogma 8. You are your first user. Don't wait for an audience. Be your own user. Build for your pain, solve your boredom, automate your laziness. You thought coding was about center, about rules, about tutorials, but it's not. It's about becoming. It's about turning your thoughts into tools that shape the world. So don't quit, not yet. If this video sparks something new, subscribe. Not for me, for you, because you just joined a tribe. We don't play safe. We build, we break, we become.